Remove the top cover. Remove the heatsink. Gently release the retainer latch and lift it along with the retainer. Hold both sides of the processor and gently lift it up from the processor socket.